Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable function keys on Windows 10 or 11 Easy Guide. So if you want to use F1 or F12 without pressing F any here, you could go ahead and do the simple steps. I have an on-screen keyboard in here so that you'll have a reference onto your own keyboards in there. So for you to be able to go ahead and use that, you'll just have to go ahead and click the escape button, which is this one, and the Fn key onto your device. So you'll just need to head onto your keyboards and find the ESC and then Fn and then press it together to go ahead and turn that one on. So this should go ahead and enable your function keys, and if you want to turn off, you'll just have to do the same thing. Click on the ESC and Fn keyboard. So there might be other keyboards as well in there that has an Fn lock key on your keyboard. So it might be labeled together just like this, wherein it says FN and it has a small lock icon. So you could also press and hold that one, and then your function keys will now work without needing to press FN. So that is just how you could go ahead and do that, and you could also disable by doing or repeating the same steps. So just remember ESC and FN together to enable FN, and you could do the same thing or repeat the process to go ahead and disable that. And that is how easy you could do it. If you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.